Are file thumbnails not showing up on your Windows 11 computer? Then we will show you how to fix it in this video. Now, if thumbnails fail to load in a folder containing many files, or if you have opened files in the middle of the thumbnail loading process, which could have affected thumbnails for some files, you should close that folder and reopen it. This time, wait until the thumbnails load successfully. Additionally, make sure that they are enabled by opening File Explorer options, click the View tab, select the box inside Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails, and then once done, click Apply and hit OK. Lastly, check the icon size and view style of your files and folders. To change the icon size, right-click in the folder where thumbnails are not showing up, navigate to View, then select any size other than small icons. Now, if changing the icon size does not make a difference, change the view style by right-clicking the same folder, navigate to View, and select Styles or Content. Now that's how you can fix file thumbnails not showing up in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.